Hi guys, Vlad here. Today I have for you two phones. One I couldn't fix, one I could fix. So let's see the fail first. So here I have one more iPhone 6s. This looks very clean phone. Not bent. Chassis is not damaged. Buttons click. Screen intact with little scratches. All buttons work. Let's connect to power and see what we're getting there. Okay, we're getting Apple logo. And back. Okay, phone boot loops. Let's open it up and see. I am shocked how this phone even turns on and shows Apple logo because it's so badly water damaged. It's like everywhere and even on the screen. It's like I don't imagine how it's still powering on. Okay, let's remove the brackets and see inside. So that's how it looks. It doesn't look that bad, this area there. So the screen kind of survived. We have a backlight. SIM tray looks like terrible. SIM tray looks terrible. Yeah, this area looks nasty as well. And look at that. All this sticker is water damaged, but hopefully just this sticker. Let's remove it and see what we have there. Terrible water damage. Look at these caps, like oh, transceiver area, VTR area, TriStar amplifier. Well, memory isn't too bad. Let's open this. Oh, this area looks good at least. So only the bottom part of it, yeah? This area looks good. Only the bottom part of it. So this is terrible. But the phone turns on, that means that power lines are good. I will not be washing that currently. I want to see if phone turns on, and then we'll reflow the area, because if you wash it you might remove the solder from the under chips, and then you will not have working phone and you will investigate for the fault again. I don't want to do that. Now I have 8 milliamps, and if I press power button I have boot. Okay, so we have a leak somewhere. Let's see if this screen works, and hopefully it's boot, so I can check straight away the Touch ID, so I don't waste time there. Phone stuck on Apple logo. Okay, let's replace TriStar. Let's firstly reflow all these chips, otherwise I think the solder might be missing under them if I clean after in the ultrasonic. Yeah, that's toilet damage, definitely. I can feel it. Okay. does not boot. Okay, iTunes logo come up, so button works. Computer sees the phone. Let's try to restore straight away. So the phone restored, and we can see that rear camera is not working, or it's not working because it's not connected. Don't worry. Yeah, battery is 100%, but that's fine. That's iPhone 32GB 6S. We don't have IMEI number. That means that I will not be able to activate the phone. No wonder we don't have a service there. Look, look at that modem area there, and this is shorted. This is shorted. This is not. This is not. This is not. This is not. But this is short-circuited. And I hope that's not internal short of a baseband. Okay, so baseband out. Baseband sat. So we don't have service on this phone. I want to power it on and measure voltages if I have them there. We don't have voltage here. No voltage here, no voltage here, no voltage here. So I have few last ideas that we have to check first. We'll remove this crystal there. No, we don't have voltages at all. Alright, let's remove modem and check if we have voltages without modem. I think we should have spike of the voltage without modem, at least to see if it's turning on. Yeah, I'm getting spike here on the like second of 1 volt. Let's check other coil. Yeah, 1.5 volts here. So the power management for baseband is okay. So I just rebought the baseband last time, and I noticed that we get a spike of the voltage coming to the baseband and drops again. That means that baseband is dead. That part unfortunately not replaceable, and there is no fix for that phone. So I couldn't fix the modem because the modem itself is not working, and that part is unfortunately not replaceable. That's a bummer, but what we can do, we just can move on. About the second iPhone, I will not be showing video because it's not worth it. Sometimes even I can get lucky when buying not working phones or water damaged phones, and this phone arrived with a dead battery, broken charging port and a damaged screen. So I replaced all these components and the phone is fully working now. So the first phone from these two was iPhone 6S, 64GB gray unlocked IMEI number ends with these digits. It was stated that it was water damaged and not coming on, but in the end it appeared just to be charging port, battery and screen needs to be done. Total cost here is €25. Charger adds 150, and I'm selling that phone for €131. Yeah, here you can see that CEX gives €131 for this phone, for iPhone 6s 64GB. I'm making €55 there and 114% on my money there. Totally I spent around an hour, little bit less, but average time around an hour I would say so, replacing these parts. Okay, second phone is iPhone 6s, 32GB gray unlocked. IMEI number ends with these digits. It was actually water damaged, terribly water damaged, and the problem in the end was that I couldn't fix modem. Modem is not replaceable, so this phone is going as a parts. Yeah, I'm not spending any money on repair parts. Phone it will be sold for €40. That's what CEX gives for the 6s 32GB, €40. I'm losing €8 there and 18% on my money on that deal. I spent around 2 hours diagnosing the modem issue. So sometimes even I get lucky and get a phone that needs only part replacement and no motherboard work, but that don't happen often. So I'm not really hoping to get these phones because I know what I'm buying. I will be ending this here, so hope you liked the video and see you next one.